Hello, my name is Dr. Atlee Wampler, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about fatigue and chronic fatigue syndrome. There are three major causes of fatigue that we have to evaluate to find out what is causing your chronic fatigue syndrome. First and foremost, we have to look at undetected nerve damage that may be affecting certain glands in the body that secrete hormones that allow you to have energy and vitality. Secondly, we have to make sure that those hormones are in proper balance, and if not, to balance them properly using plant-based bioidentical hormones that are safe and effective. Finally, we have to look at the role of toxicity in the human body and how that can interrupt cellular function, leading to fatigue. That's why I want to invite you into the clinic for a free evaluation to find out if you're a candidate for our phenomenal treatments that help so many people with fatigue and chronic fatigue syndrome. Just dial the number below or click on our website. We'll look forward to seeing you in the clinic.